them system try to brand we like we curse from where we born. But my spirit older than them bad. Walk from Babylon like lawn. It's the bloodline of Jah, run deep in my vein, my vein. Damn can't chain up the name, the name. They say chant down all though, stand tall in a flame, in flame. Are the bloodline of Jah, are the truth will remain, remain. No feud lost in the glamour, chase things we can't fix pain. My brother, listen to your heartbeat, hear the ancient in your chest play. History right up by the victors, but prophecy right up in we bone. When them delete we from them pages, still the I man never alone. Is the bloodline of Jah, run deep in me vein, me vein. Them can't buy, can't ride, can't chain up the name, the name. It's a chant down all those, stand tall in a flame, in flame. Now the bloodline of Jah, are the truth will remain, remain. Who tell you say you're small, or who trick you say you're weak? Look how mountain hide in silence till the thunder start to speak. Every scar on your shoulder, a one new chapter right. Hold your ground, me warrior. Darkness bow when you live light. Yes, the bloodline of Jah, run deep in me vein, me vein. Them can't buy, can't round, can't chain up the name, the name. Me say rise up, call out your true name, your name. God, the bloodline of Jah, are the fire will remain, remain.
From little youth me be hear them say, know you be not just want your name. Grandma Bible full of tear and flame, right on the page you a lion, not him. Be rice and salt but the pot still share. She say member, riches are the mind you wear. System a press but the soul can't fall through. Royalty na come in a chain a gold. Bloodline of Jah, run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head high tall though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born for chain. Bloodline of Jah, hear the heartbeat drum. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, roots strong in a holy ground. Me spirit all even when me fall down. Yeah. Chase hype, some man chase likes. Me chase truth like prophet on the bike. Nights are dark, but the stars still there. Wisdom hiding at the things them nah say. Hear grandpa voice when the breeze just blow. Humble yourself and the heights will show. If you don't know self, any wind can sway. When you know Jah, even death have to wait. Bloodline of Jah, run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head high tall though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born to chain. Bloodline of Jah, hear the heartbeat drum. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, roots strong in a holy ground. Me spirit all even when me fall down. Oh. scar on my skin a one psalm me sing. Every loss when me take a next crown, next ring. Them can't curse where the Creator bless. Higher meditation cut through stress. So when the road rough like stone pan hill, me say Jah guide and me step still chill. Cause when you know where you're really made of, you turn even trial in a pure straight love. Bloodline a Jah run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head I tall though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born for chain. Bloodline a Jah, yeah, the heartbeat drum. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, root strong in a holy ground. Me spirit tall even when me fall down. Bloodline a Jah.
From me little youth days, granny say, mind how you try, you're brave. Lion heart beating on your chest, me chile. Jah blood in a vein, never run too wild. See, enough man sell soul for your little things. Shiny things, quick things, then the chain them cling. But roots man know say we higher than fame. If you can't find yourself, how you find your name? Jah blood in a vein, me no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Yeah, Jah blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. Stand my blow but me heart remain. God Jah day in every vein. Enough time me broke but me spirit rich. Truth upon tongue even if palm itch. Wisdom are the weapon where the elders swing. Overstand life deeper than diamond ring. Them say youth, sit down taking the scene. Nothing can grow if your root no clean. So me wash up faith in a river and change. Clean up me mind, rearrange the rage. Jah blood in a vein, me no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Yeah, Jah blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. Star my blow but me heart remain. God Jah day in every vein. Every scar on my skin a little sermon. Every tear when me drop turn seed for learning. Them can't stop where are they long time. Heartbeat talking a ancient rhyme. Hey, Jah blood in a vein, me no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Yeah, Jah blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. If me fall, me a rise again. God Jah still flow in every vein. Yeah.
blessings straight. Them teach me for bow, but my backbone straight. System a squeeze, but me no vibrate. Me trot through the fire, still cool, me say. Call lion a roar in a every vein. Jah blood in a vein. Me not drift, me not sway. When the storm them rage, me stand up same way. Deep in a my marrow, my spirit campaign. From my barn, Jah blood in a vein. Jah blood in a vein. Himself here cheap, but my mind too dear. Me buy back my peace with a little prayer. Me talk to the sky, but the voice inside answer every time. Say me they a child. Hunger in a ghetto, but we still share plate. Loving how we and stronger than them, yet them want if you are. But we chant for change. Got the kingdom a building a people brain. Yeah. Whoa, Jah blood in a vein. Me not drift, me not sway. When the doubt them creep, me chase them away. Deep in a me marrow, me spirit campaign. From my barn, Jah blood in a vein. Every scar on my skin is a little proverb. Every tear me wipe is a little sermon. Every time me drop, me rise and learn. Every page where them burn, still the truth return. So me step steady on the red, gold, green. Even when life rough me, I hear the king. If your heart feel weak, remember what me I say. Same blood where I flow, keep the cosmos straight. Yeah. Jah blood in a vein. Me not drift, me not sway. When the chain them tight, me still find a way. Deep in a me marrow, my spirit campaign. From my barn, Jah blood in a vein. Granny said, know who you be. You carry crown in your marrow, lion are down in your seed. See them system try to brand we, like we curse from where we born. But me spirit older than them bad. I walk from Babylon like lawn. Is the bloodline of Jah run deep in me vein. Me vein. Me damn bait, Jared, blood chain up in there. In there. Me say, chant down all down, stand tall in a flame. In flame. God the bloodline of Jah, and the truth will remain. Remain. No feud lasting at the glamour. Chase things we can't fix pain. Me bread brother, listen to your heartbeat. Hear the ancient inna your chest plate. History right up by the victors, but prophecy right up in we bone. When them delete we from them pages, still the I man never alone. It's the bloodline of Jah, run deep inna me vein. Me vein. Them can't bite ya up, can't chain up the name. The name. Me say, John down all down, stand tall in a flame. Ah, the bloodline of Jah, ah, the truth will remain. Remain. Who tell you say you smart? Ah, who trick you say you weak? Look how mountain hide in silence till the thunder start to speak. Every scalp on your shoulder, ah, one new chapter right. Hold your ground, me warrior. Darkness bow when you live light. Yeah, it's the bloodline of Jah, run deep inna me vein. Me vein. Them can't bite, can't hurt, can't chain up the name. Me say, rise up, call out your true name. God, the bloodline of Jah, and the fire will remain. Remain. From little youth me did hear them say, know who you be, not just what you name. Grandma Bible full of tear and flame. Right on the page you a lion not tame. Be rice and salt but the pot still share. She say member, riches are the mind you wear. System a press but the soul can't fall through. Royalty not come in a chain of gold. Bloodline a Jah, run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head it all, though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born for chain. Bloodline a Jah, hear the heartbeat jump. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, roots strong in a holy ground. Me spiritual even when me fall down. Yeah. Some man chase hype, some man chase likes. Me chase truth like prophet on the bike. Night so dark but the stars still there. Wisdom hiding inna the things them nah say. Hear grandpa voice when the breeze just blow. Humble yourself and the heights will show. If you don't know self, any wind can sway. When you know Jah, even death have to wait. Bloodline a Jah, run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head it all, though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born for chain. Bloodline a Jah, hear the heartbeat jump. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, roots strong in a holy ground. Me spiritual even when me fall down. Every scarf on me skin a one psalm me sing. Every loss when me take a next crown, next ring. Them can't curse where the creator bless. I am meditation cut through stress. So when the roar of like stone pan hill, me say Jah guide, and me step still chill car. When you know what you're really made of, you turn even trial in a pure straight love. Bloodline a Jah, run deep in a vein. Can't wash it out with Babylon rain. Head it all, though we walk through pain. Me come from kings, me no born for chain. Bloodline a Jah, hear the heartbeat jump. From ancient time till the future come. Stand firm, roots strong in a holy ground. Me spiritual even when me fall down. Bloodline a Jah.
yes, me chill. Your blood in a vein, never run too wild. See enough man sell soul for a little things, shiny things, quick things, then the chain them cling. But roots man know say we higher than fame. If you can't find yourself, how you find your name? Your blood in a vein, lin no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Your blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. Storm a blow, but me heart remain. God a day in a every way. Enough time I broke, but my spirit rich. True depth and tongue, even if palm itch. Wisdom are the weapon where the elders swing over. Stand life deeper than diamond ring. Them say youth, see them, taking the seed. Nothing can grow if your root not clean. So me wash off faith in a river change. Clean up my mind, rearrange my rage. Yeah. Your blood in a vein, in no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Your blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. Storm a blow, but my heart remain. Cause a day I in a every way. Every scar on my skin a little sermon. Every tear when me drop turn seed for learning. Them can't stop way out in long time. Heartbeat talking a ancient rhyme. Your blood in a vein, in no empty. Carry the cross when the road get heavy. Head to the sky, foot in a clay. Still me rise every single day. Your blood in a vein, me protected. Even when plan mash up redirected. If me fall, me a rise again. God just still flow in a every vein. Your blood in a vein, me can't complain. From my wake, me I feel the flame. Granny say you'd keep your heart them clean. Cause dirt on the soul make the blessing strain. Them teach me for bow, but my backbone straight. System a squeeze, but me no vibrate. Me chat through the fire, still cool me sane. Got a lion a roar in a every vein. Your blood in a vein, me nah drift. Me nah sway when the storm them rage. Me stand up same way. Keeping on my marrow, my spirit campaign from my bond, from my bond. Your blood in a vein. Your blood, your blood, your blood in a vein. Them sell fear cheap, but my mind too dear. Me buy back my peace with a little pride. Me talk to the sky, but the voice inside answer every time. Say me day a child. Hunger in a ghetto, but we still share plate. Loving a we and stronger than them hate. Them want we for war, but we chant for change. Cause the kingdom a build in a people brain. Your blood in a vein, me nah drift. Me nah sway when the doubt them creep. Me chase them away. Deep in a my marrow, my spirit campaign from a bond, from a bond. Your blood in a vein. Your blood, your blood, your blood in a vein. Every scar on my skin is a little proverb. Every tear me wipe is a little sermon. Every time me drop, me rise and learn. Every page where them burn, still the truth return. So me step steady pon the red, gold, green. Even when life rough, me I hail the king. If you
blood in a vein. Me nah drift, me nah sway when the chain them tight. Me